Welcome. In front of me is a MatePad SE from Huawei, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this tablet. Now before you get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device, on the same place where you have your charging port, just on the side, as you can see right over here. And using the tool, you want to push the pin in, and the tray pops out just ever so slightly. From here you can just pull it out using your fingernails, and on the tray you have space for just a single SD card. Place it on the tray, and then insert it back into the device. Once you do so, the card should start working right away, or after a couple seconds. See, I'm gonna navigate into the settings just so I can see storage right here, and as you can see, the text memory card right over here. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.